The aspect of gene therapy. Lesson objective at the end of this lesson. The student shall be able to describe gene therapy in its various forms and assess the issue, potential benefits, and determine the global health. Argo na to diri sa page. In 2015, a team of researchers at the Harvard Medical School and the Boston Children's Hospitals state that they were able to restore basic hearing in genetically deaf mice using gene therapy. The Boston Children's Hospital research team also reported that they have restored a higher level of hearing down to 25 decibels, which is actually equivalent to a whisper. The use and improved gene therapy vector developed at the Massachusetts Eye and Ear that was identified as ANC80, which enables the transfer of gene to the inaccessible outer hair cells when introduced into cochlea. Human gene therapy was actually first realized in 1971. The first recombinant DNA experiment were planned. It can be simply viewed as insertion foreign DNA into a patient tissue that hope to successfully eradicate a targeted disease. It was actually inspired by the success of recombinant DNA technology, which occurred over the last 20 years without a doubt. Gene therapy is the most promising yet possibly unfavorable medical field being studied. The basic process. There are several approaches to gene therapy. There are the following: replacement of mutated gene that causes disease with a healthy copy of the gene, inactivation of mutated gene that is functioning improperly, introducing a new gene into the body to help fight the disease. So, naay two types of gene therapy. Ang isa is somatic gene therapy. Therapeutic genes transferred into the somatic cells. Introduction of gene into bone marrow cells, blood cells, skin cells, etc. And I will not inherit it later generation. At present, at research directed to correct genetics defect in somatic cells. So, kaning somatic gene therapies, muna siya dili ni ang nakuha niya ani is ang bone marrow cells, blood cells, skin cells. Dili ni siya makatakod and will not inherited. Di siya makatakod. And ang germline gene therapy, therapeutic gene transferred into eggs and sperms. Gene introduced into eggs and sperm for safety, ethical, and technical reason is not being attempted at present. So, kaning germline therapy, ang target niya is ang eggs ug ang sperm. Ug mao ni ang kanang murag hindi mo mataning nga matakod kanang para sa HIV rata. 2 types of gene therapy. Paisa ang ning somatic mutation occur and the germline tissue cannot be inherited. So, somatic mutation is mo siya ng individual na lang sakit, dili na matakod ng dili na mapasa ang sakit. Then germline mutation kay present in eggs of sperm, can be inherited, cause cancer family syndrome. Mao ni siya makatakod ng masakit ng nakagikan sa imong mga mga pamilya, kanang planong sa mga kanang kalay sa imong papa, high blood, pwede ka mansana, pwede ka takdan, high blood po ka sa bloodline. Alright, thank you. Po na bahala.